Dew Point changed my life. If you know, Frikkie was retrenched at the age of 50. I was 45. And in 28 years, we could never find jobs again. And I know there's no jobs in South Africa. Young people also don't find jobs. Dew Point has built the opportunity for every single South African to start to become financially independent. A lady on the stage, when she earned 5,000 rand, she said she's financially free. But if you do not have money, if you grew up with nothing, and you all of a sudden get 5,000 rand, it makes a difference. So don't tell me you don't have money. I did not have money. There was a stage, I don't like to say it, but there was a stage that me and Frikkie did not have 11 rand to buy bread and milk. So don't tell me you don't have money. But that is even a more reason for you to build the business. That was pulling me through. I must do it. I don't want to look in my children's eyes or the government to look after me. I need to look after myself. And that's what I'm doing. And Dew Point has gave us the opportunity. Dew Point changed our lives. Guys, stop blaming other people. Take the responsibility and do your business.